This is a really nice dual screen. It works with your laptops, even your iPad. Right now I'm setting up as just a dual screen here. So we have my iPad and then we have one screen here and then the extra screen on this side. This is a very well made design. I have a couple of these, but I love that this one will fold onto itself. So this screen will fold in first over here, keeping the screen protected face down. And then this screen down here will fold back on top, keeping this screen protected against the back of this. And then you have a nice Velcro strap to keep it nice and secure. This does come with a nice carrying case as well, with a little pouch, so you're able to carry all the extra USB-C wires. But you can see, this works super well. You're able to set up multiple screens. It's great for people who travel, who needs a little extra workspace. And this is perfect. It's a great size. The brightness and quality is really nice. It's a really nice setup.